Facing a towering inferno capable of devouring everything, the firefighters did not rush forward to extinguish it. Instead, they carefully loaded all the nitroglycerin into steel drums. They encased the cylinders in successive asbestos cloth layers, sealed them airtight, then, mere seconds later, ominously, slowly hoisted this ready-to-detonate bomb directly over the wellhead. Meanwhile, the flames were scorching the drum, and the team had to keep spraying water to cool it, preventing a premature detonation, because any lapse could blow them up along with the firestorm. When the cylinder was lowered into the heart of the inferno, everyone immediately withdrew. At the command to detonate, they pressed the explosion switch. With a deafening roar, the pillars of fire were torn to shreds. That was their plan, to use the fierce nitroglycerin blast to instantly consume all the oxygen around the blaze. This fight fire with fire tactic is actually an effective method for controlling runaway oil well infernos. Yet it was far too soon to celebrate. Though the main fire was out, crude oil still gushed wildly. The surrounding heat was so intense it warped the air, and any small spark could ignite it all over again. With no other choice, and seeing their earlier efforts nearly wasted, they had to act once more. Soon, a massive brass valve was carefully carried into position. Amidst the searing heat and choking smoke, they had to align it with pinpoint accuracy. Then, in the next moment, the team worked together to turn the valve. Meanwhile, the captain swiftly tightened the scalding brass bolts, locking the throat of the subterranean beast shut. As the valve closed bit by bit, Panyong's runaway well finally fell silent. Only then did these iron-hard men finally exhale. It wasn't that they felt no fear, they simply chose to go against it. Fear is a human instinct, but their duty is to turn courage into a hymn that conquers that instinct. Here's to every hero who walks into the flames,